Okay, we've been given this motherboard by another tech to simply replace a MOSFET. Looks like the DC in MOSFET. This looks like an Intel motherboard, or one of those generic brand ones, like Metabox or something. And they use a tape here. Mate, that's gonna melt. It's gonna burn. That's a bad idea. And they've also damaged the battery ribbon connector. Okay, so before we replace, just double check what's going on here. Okay, no short to ground. And gate to ground. No short, okay. And the shunt resistor goes to where? Let's see if there's any short. Okay. Okay, and that's the PCH. Just randomly testing components on it. Okay. So GL5TG7KMB. See if this is available in the database. GL5T. Of course. Why will it be available? Yeah, I need to put some oil on this guy. Yeah, GL5TG. Milo, out of here. Oi, go. PG5. PGL5. Zilch, nada, nothing. Any other board level details anywhere else? Answer is not. No. Okay, I'll be back. Alright, I went through my videos and I found the KC57. So this is actually an Intel KC57 motherboard. And having a look at the video, it uses a MOSFET that matches this guy. Maybe I can show you the video. Yeah, KC57, this one. If you watch that video, you will see me looking at exactly that MOSFET there. Okay, so which is an N-channel MOSFET, 30 volts, high amp, like over 40, and the gate to source resistance, ideally 2 ohms, etc. This is a new MOSFET that is compatible with this guy. Okay. So technically, this motherboard should receive power and turn on and catch fire. Let's see. So the only thing we can test is if the power is going in, and that's all I'm concerned about. DC mode. No. Yep. So power supply has gone into protection mode. Diode mode. Okay, we're still waiting for this guy to fully discharge. See, we get 20 volts. Power cut off. Yeah, charger has gone into protection mode, meaning there's a deeper problem with this guy. Yeah, let's see what the issue is. See if we can pinpoint anywhere else. These have been opened up already. They're all ripped. Okay, I think there is still a short there too. Diode mode. Yeah, there's a deeper short on this board. Bro, these user, bro, they worked on here too, and they never mentioned anything. Anyway, we'll charge them the inspection fee anyway. See that? It's lifted up. That's gone. That's gone. And this is to ground, that's also gone. Okay. So what we're going to do, right, remove these two MOSFETs. I think they're also gone. Okay. Let's see if the short is still there. To ground. Yep. So yeah, okay. Let's have a look with thermal short injection, see where. All right, 0.5. That's the PCH. It's delivering 1 amp. Okay, nothing there. Okay, nothing there. Nothing there. Okay, looks like something on the other side. Let me see, do a quick short check here. Where can I find the other part of this? We're looking for the other end. We're looking for a 19-volt rail. That's before. Should be one of these big tracks. Yeah. 27. Yeah, 27. That's the main 19-volt rail coming in. Yeah, here as well. Okay. Yeah. All right, so we're now ready to continue the injection. Okay, nothing here. Okay, still nothing. Usually, if you can't detect it, it usually means it's it's either the CPU or a GPU. Still can't find it. Okay, so since we can find the short, there is a very, very high chance the short is on the CPU. So now we're looking at CPU. And let's connect the wire again. Okay, here we go. Still nothing. Let's do 0.6. How about our GPU? It's quite difficult to pinpoint. Come on. Where is the short? It's hiding somewhere. No. Wow, this is difficult. I can't figure out where the short is. Wow. The elusive short. Where are you? Okay, I still think it is a CPU from experience. Could be wrong. Okay, take it off. No change. Where the hell are you? Come on, short. Okay, these are all reflections. Okay, let's go around. This is so bizarre. That's the port. Okay, I'll let go. Okay. This is very bizarre. Could it be one of the VRAM modules? Imagine that. Then it's a game off. Bye bye. Yeah, it's gotta. I think it's gotta be the GPU. Okay, let's remove the power. Yeah. See how it's cooling down? Yeah, okay. Plug in the power. There we go. It is the GPU. Game over, mate. So 2 amps at that 0.7 volts is not gonna harm the GPU. That's why we don't see a massive heat signature. But glowing there, yeah, that's the game over for this motherboard. No wonder why they've been replacing MOSFETs. Because it is not the MOSFET, unfortunately. Shame. You're going back to your mummy. Okay. Yeah, so this is a no-fix GPU failure, unfortunately. So the MOSFET failed to protect the system, and it has let all the power in. Okay, that's the end of that. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.